In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Revelry discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Revelry discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called retailminal.com and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount of your order, of your first order, all you need to do is simply select your code from right here. And this is the promo code that you can copy from here. And you can use this promo code on your first purchase in order to get that 10% discount. Also, going back to your main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find this website which is called retrieve.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with $10 discount right here, you can simply tap on this button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code that you can copy, and you can use this promo code on your next order so that you can get the $10 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.